Hey, what's up YouTube? This light was sent to me for testing and review. It is the Thrunite Archer Pro. As you can see, it has a quickly removable two-way pocket clip. It has an orange peel style of reflector. This is a very handy EDC flashlight. It uses a 14500 lithium-ion battery. And you can recharge this. It has a hidden charging port. You unscrew this. All right, and that reveals the Type-C charging port. In order to recharge that battery, you hook it up with that recharging cable to any USB power source. That is a power bank. It has a red indicator light when it is recharging. When it is fully charged, that will turn blue. Here are the stats on the light. So maximum lumens 1022. This has ramping, but the nominal high mode is 478 lumens. Right? It also has a ultra low mode firefly and a special mode which is strobe. The maximum beam distance is 134 meters, and you see the run times for all of those as well. To turn the light on, press the tail switch. To turn it off, press the tail switch. Now once it is on, this has ramping. So if you press and hold, right, it will become dimmer until it blinks, and that's as low as it goes. And then press and hold again. It will become brighter again until it blinks, right? And so this would be the equivalent of the high mode. But it can get brighter if you double tap. It's a shortcut to turbo. All right, so that's turbo. Wow. I mean, for such a compact light, that is pretty bright, definitely. If you triple tap, it will strobe. All right, warning, we're going to flash this. 1, 2, 3, and it's strobing. Now, if you want to shortcut to ultra low, you just press and hold from off. All right, and that is an ultra low type of candle mode. Now, this also has a lockout mode. Basically, if you press and hold, all right, so you see that is now in the ultra low mode, but if you press and hold again, you see how it blinks. Now it is in the lockout mode. So now if you press it, it's only going to blink, right? So that is the lockout mode. Now to unlock it again, just press and hold, and when it blinks, it is now unlocked. All right, so this is now unlocked. Hey YouTube, we're out here on the testing board with this Thrunite light. All right, let's do the ultra low mode first. There it is. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the ultra low mode. All right, let's demonstrate the ramping. So as you can see, it's getting brighter. So this would be the equivalent of the high mode. Let's ramp again. And this would be the equivalent of the low mode, or the low end of the ramp. All right, let's do turbo with a double tap. Wow, that is turbo. From such a small light, that is quite bright. All right, warning, we're going to strobe. And that is the strobe. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out here on the road of no streetlights with this Thrunite light. That's the high mode. Let's go turbo. Okay, so we got vegetation. Did you hear those frogs? Yes. Let's see what we can see in the road. Doing a pretty good job. It's a small light. Small, but powerful. Here is a shot of the Thrunite light. A top view of the beam shot on the road. And here we are overlooking Frog Creek with this Thrunite light. Let's go turbo, see what we can see. Doing a pretty good job for a small and handy EDC light. The waters of Frog Creek. The opposite bank. Treetops. Strobe around. Let's strobe around and see what we can see. Alright YouTube, that's this Thrunite at Frog Creek. Okay, we're on the sports field with this Thrunite light. Now the first goal you're going to see is about 50 meters away. Alright, so let's crank it to turbo. Wow. Okay, so you see that goal? Hold on. There you go. Alright, so that is this light at about 50 meters. And we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. What are my final thoughts on this Thrunite Archer Pro? Well, it is definitely a very competent everyday carry or every night carry compact light. You know, it is very pocketable. It uses a 14500 lithium-ion battery, which is about the size of a AA battery. So if you carry a AA light, you know, this is going to be, can be as compact as that, but it's going to be a whole lot brighter, right? Over 1,000 lumens. This will definitely appeal to people who prefer a tail switch. This tail switch is of good quality. It's very difficult to accidentally activate this. Like if you just hit it like this, it's not going to turn on. Okay, you need to decisively press it to turn it on and off. So that's a good feature. Now that battery is built into the light. So one potential drawback of that would be if the battery is used up and you have to recharge it, then you're stuck recharging the light. You can't just remove the battery and charge it and put in a second battery and use the light while the first battery is charging. The rapid recharging is a good feature, and the fact that they've hidden that port, that's a good feature too. There is an O-ring there, so the way they've done this, it's going to be very water resistant. So overall, this is a pretty decent pocketable everyday carry or every night carry type of light. It balances brightness with compactness and ease of carry. However, that entire category of lights, there's actually a lot of competition in that field. So, you know, it remains to be seen what will be on top. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Underneath this video, I will include links to the Thrunite website, their Amazon store, and of course links to useful items, knives, and other cool stuff. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.